Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get containers in Elementor. Containers are the modern way to build layouts, replacing older sections and intersections. They offer a more flexible and efficient structure for your designs. Understanding containers is key to leveraging Elementor's full potential for faster, more responsive websites. They are the fundamental building blocks for any page. To begin using containers, you first need to activate them. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor, then click on Settings. Next, navigate to the Features tab. Scroll down until you find the Flexbox container option and set its status to active. Remember to save your changes at the bottom of the page. Once activated, you can add a container by dragging the container widget onto your Elementor page. You'll find options to configure its layout, including direction, alignment, and justification of items within it. You can also set specific width and height, along with padding and margin values. For more complex designs, you can even nest containers inside one another. Containers significantly enhance responsive design, allowing your layouts to adapt beautifully across various devices. You can easily modify container settings for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This includes adjusting the order of items and their visibility based on screen size. Additionally, the gap between elements feature provides precise control over spacing, ensuring a polished look on every device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.